Entinansiemu and demonstrations that who because we Ghana Hanamo. Teachers for the kind of demonstration about their 13-month unpaid salaries. And what nurses, newly posted nurses. Almost by a demonstration, our massive I'll do 14 months without salary. It obey yesterday. Now yesterday ni mono. I was actually Jonas and Mahama Abe class. Which him say, Sebi Onyansi who want the guy sika AD. Now won't your nurses for any teachers for the car. No who deserve salary. My man to the bono to the wajin amame. Our comment section. I have Penyah block media. Mes was any demo. Obe like if you do not have a boss subscribe button, subscribe to the notification connect for the test updates. I'll bet you the wajin the amame. Our comment section. Mes also baswa. No I should be the first any be actually. Mami be awon about Ghana ha or catch and say me back to school. Say be adachi. Obenya be penyi nipa. De ya obenya be adwuma ye. No be penyi nipa dachi. Obetuma hwe abusunya be bo fake kakra. Nanso omo adi ka akono. Ya posti wo mo no abusunya. Kwatre kwa. Kwatre kwa edi da bia se me hwe. Omo afi no bia omo ya national service na me buso bia mo no de she bugurai. De she bugurai se ye national service. Abeji adwuma ya abeji aketua because they find adwuma last year. Why ya adwuma 13 to 14 months. That is 1 year, 2 months muni. Omunya aketua da. One city kromunya bi. Emma teachers for the can get it to the street. A demonstration. We go PMU GS Ghana Kitchen Service omo headquarters honu go PMU hono later anyone say nurses for so ni abre e be demonstration I say omo na e so serious at point so na e bi mani abre pa Emma kaze twitwe nyina e ba mu.
We are just pleading on the government to pay us. We've been working for 10 good months, no salary. Personally, my rent expired in 15th August. I've not been able to pay. My landlord is always asking, when are you paying? I'll be like, they'll pay us. Please give me time. I stay at Spantine. I wake up Kolebu. I take transportation, 42 cities to work every day. How do they expect me to get that money to come?
What's school? No drama. On about Itakai, Quadramita Kando. Miss Muso, what school? No drama came. Or it's my movie. You did not collaborate. Lewin Jacoa, or a very masterpiece. Just a big blow baby. Oh, the original how your aunties be. I say, as why I am what was a politician. Why you saw better?
Oh, now, next for the emotion. I was so angry. And I'm saying, who say junior doctors, just Omwa. Omako medical school upon more from yafo much from as junior doctors no almost so soon almost a year 14 months in ye ntio say they are threatening to go on strike. Doctors ever call strike for Ghana. Oh my we di agropa as ye comedy there was an sense when I no I'm not Twene Jonas what did no say there be Mahama only teachers for no any nurses any doctors for need the year Ghana you sika there be a mobeka gold board ya cotton gold ya sika say ya yes say it is sika na ewo hen adan na move to add nurses any teachers workers say dem fi 1 month salary 125,000 Ghana cedis 2 teachers they all the worker oje and before you dem bosumi bi as a minister enne that month na ending obeje na ketu na lawan you obeje. But teachers for any nurses, ye treat them say obi yankwa. Twene so want tiase, obekra straight Mahama.
Enti sam where so na betina oh ye dey sign contract, ye mfro private jet da. Ye be fro business class. Your mama boy ya, don't get me wrong, oni okujeto abra kwakwase na okujeto no kra de. Was your mama fro private jet say kim obe resign. And so say okujeto kwase na na buku private jet ma your mama dey fly betina New York. Meanwhile, Germany no mu wesi anom governor or to commercial France president or to commercial, Argentina president or to commercial, Bibinia Buana or no Jebosiano. Onu mum de Nisika millions of dollars alcohol private jet. Esa diskana koma kwesi broni. Nasano, what makes you different from MPP for na ye pamamon? Ye pam akufuad because of the luxury private jet. The Yesika ni high private jet to any scan pianist for any teacher for. Ni akofa mabana mo so ma Jimmy mo de sika na high private jet. Muti luxury private jet munye sika ntua teacher for ne nurse for. What makes you different? A Jimmy for. Your mama wuni chasere. What makes you different? Enti jantro na mato TV3, mato niya TV, mato bloggers no. Enti mama bloggers nkwasiafo ni nyina diplomatic passport. Enti mato omu nyina enti da bia ombe chantro. Entro no the reality will expose you. And Tron Yombecho said your mama is the best, but the reality, it will expose you. Uba yana di dumso levy aba. Di levy. Dumso levy na fe na Ghana for the sumukase. A fe na auto light bay mukase. A fe intisano, what makes you different from MPP4? And this in for Munina Musama Jimmy. Think I was by now no Mahama no early stage Jimmy say on my no. I send Kamunina Bashano. And Amujai propaganda now what you scammer bloggers so Munyano. Nanka nurse for demonstration no kwa from Munina na Samijan fi gold ni sikano. Omo susu se matuto Samijan fi wa show for baby mamas in out to fear momo. Enti what to fear is lego amoma wi. What to tolam cruise aguma wi. Tracy Boachi your mama what to hotel a man what to bibia manawi. Sesi I can ya can come from nurse for neka. There be my Jiminti. Mumba my demonstration after demonstration no musu. Nurse for your mama or mama bomb bet nasi bunko to jo wanim. Say ya twat ya kufuado. Nurse for you. And oba o discount private jet in weja mo ye den omo ye demonstration. Into who's we Jimmy. Nurse for way at now when less than a year. A boom kotoje said your mama brana beji and a kufuadu sisie. Odo kwasi utipase your mama utipase shabosom. Eka se me ba me nyati se kufuado. Na fe ba ni se ya hunsu we Jimmy Chan kufuado. As quasi NDC MPP are the same. So come and rule the nation for us. I remember Baberu and Chamia Baberu because the IND. My major minor from one in Sama. Ombeku mine Obia, Samina, your mama, and the quasi criminals, Babu Ghana on a day. I had or created dangerous environments now, I'm Ghana for. Very serious. Wayosi, Matisse almost so do Quasian and I'm said your mama. Oi chen kwa ame nkunuma metiasi ese kom de wona dwo mama kwasia na ba o ma usika e ma de to aduani di but me sew Ghana for pe movie Ghana for pe wasem de wo ye no wo ye sa obi abehu se won wagimi won antifan se nurse ni bi ono no ye ntua ne ka wan ya na 10 months na what wo su abra dwo mama kwasia na promise no less than a year ago say ye nto abama no oba pe oba mekisho so betua nurse fo ni na aka. Nesusu ampa your mama kwasia ko high private jet air fly the whole world. Tiriamecho no abiro kwasia ba na odi na chi no ntena private jet mu dawo. Anso da wo yare mo high private jet ne ko the whole world. Ko sa na yare e blow over $50 million. Na susu ampa sa na esifuo ti wo na omuti se boyo si wudu Jimmy kan kwasia sem se ya. Obo se na afi no obi atan kwa. Ntime srew sika no ne mo anche se be Jimmy na fa atanfo. Wo nya meche no we joma hemfa pa na Kwame Nkrumah wi a omanya japade ma ni nua bi ni wi ase Kwame Nkrumah ne mane na busuanfo nyina ne nam Ghana omda so tiata Kwame dem joma ma wi a Ghana Bauxite Limited ama ni nua Ibrahim Mahama kwase ampanyini tani kwase ano ama odiskan nyina to cars e de aka han private jet no de show off Ghana Bauxite Limited no ni nyina Ibrahim Mahama and the control sikani nyina akọ omo ho esi a osanse okowia black voter aka no kwase Kwame Nkrumah wi a bibi dabi MPP NDC foi na ya akronfo no ma wi a omanya pade atonton bibi agu mbotom enti udi ya akronfo compare obi a ye honorable mana obi anim se wa Jimmy tie ya me che wa yo si nti jan kwase akeka no ma me kan me subscribe obi an ko Twene Jonas TV no ko subscribe say be the comment ba me hunma body was ask say a nurse Penyah is on night duty and she is hungry because her salary is too small and she didn't receive salary. And American nti sa nurse ni we ko hu se we yosi amepe na asem amehwe ni movie. Ejina ho keka kwa asem se John Mahama ni papa eche kwa ame nkonoma obi hu se na obia account we yosi hu se kwadu ayaka so. What you say nipa pupurupu. What you say omehwa said ye wo nipa dua sitie sa anu adwen tie. Nipa pupurupu tan kwasie. Enkeka jimisem na obenya atamfo ekina ya me de John Mahama ne NDC fo ne co position. Enti ya de omko position a omunye scan to aduane ma oni bi onti ja jimi no mpa atamfo ma ho e bia movie no obi wo ha obefra ma okotwa bi anya kakra to aduane adi. Enti nkeka nkwase asem John Mahama bi antime meye second president wo ya boa ye mpe kwase a obesisa akronfo any criminals afri America begu Ghana ho ye pe mampanyini a obebo de security ho ban eno ye se I Scotland Ghana ni akofre ne ho ohene wo ho o ma china de na koto deportation camp o mu deport no yet Ghana ala tania boa ti kromu wo se wato o mampanyini ato Ghana police efre ne ho iboken anya me na osuromi ankasa amre wa ba beku Ghana fo nyina me na mama ne warning say enipa o maku Patrick Tete o maku Ghana fo aku adwo mama ntimi nchi iboken no enipoto no ana me mama ne warning say onim na okun foforo ka ho ame amebo pa ma obi akoku no o ma chemba bi oda nyina anu an say mabeka tie yo no se china me koku iboken nti ade chi no awu a obi antimi mowa anti yesi anu me de threat ne ba yo iboken ntimi nkunkutre ba bi kra bi o Ghana ho oni nim ko fo nyina fa study o man because John Mahama ne kwasea ntimi nchi o mu nipoto o mo ma efo na be ne wetimi akọ obi krom no akọ jimi o we kra no we anya TV so no de aba o yesi Facebook keke na ofre no ho hene keke e Scotland obsoja fo ni police for kama no ma kosisa enipa mienu po o ma sisa o mo de o ma akoto deportation camp e Ghana nko an yempanifo ajimi na for in abetena TV so say my top president I have the control over the authority near to one Ghana immigration for ajimi for mu ntimi kasa John Mahama kwasea ne NDC for ntimi kasa look at this nonsense so anti the truth platform anyway intro bi ani akufo an netiso no ojimi ama be fire no obi ari adanse sa na NDC fo aba o ma jimi me fire because Ghana no ye ne ba bi akọ ya dia ye kofa criminals begu kronum no mo start so mo kunkum ya ye hwan na edi ne yonko abro anti asame de NDC co position fast because John Mahama no nyansa bi ani ni tim owi ano sa ne kwase ya betena United Nations kire de broni nye se broni deport nkofo ani kwase o deport o mo dabi o de broni o criticize na fa kwase ya te se Chris Wade akura na wo se Chris Wade ye na nanfo ne ye mfanton se obi abekum nipa ono abeku na nanfo junior US ono akum nipa no ye nya no America no san ku foforo da bi broni nya kwase ya te se bibini e se okokrom it doesn't matter say ukura American passport akwa no citizen or nkrata ya jefru nsem de okokrom and these are the people American pay enye Kofi Annan na oye honorable man no da bi na enye wo fa da bi o sori ko adwuma no aba ne fie onkoku obi a onko obi asekanya ono ene ye pe na deport no ye pe omo ye criminals omo deal with drugs omo ko wiewia nkofo car from driveway e de ba Africa beton omo ye criminals they are the ones America is deporting tiri amecho ni yo unko ye hwe na onam ho a ebe de na obi kura hu se one nkrata e impossible. But the only time I be so one nkrata and say what could the bone ni afre police aba na police abechew na fa documentation bra na ya bow fingerprint ni hu say oh kwase we kura one nkrata because America is the system now running and the system is working 24/7 to the extent say one nkrata or romare ebe show and the police amechew one ni bone ama police anchewa it is impossible say one am na obi betimi hu say one nkrata. And I say be a one before and now because omunyina a criminal no I say we are seeing na bibi ni kwa na Jimmy or one ba no adane a criminal and be a before one almost say betwam asisi antokwa besisi a omo kontokwa no petu anwure enti e ho no police for 2 seconds bia na bibi ni bia free police for enti da bia police for na aba ho besisi omo na bibi ni na what you say it's African language Ghana language. Have a good day. broni bi na ebisam say kasa be na me kanam say etwi Ghana. Of course you know what it is. Obaso anu ahye no krent say de bia moye no. Enti bibini aboa no wo ne ba obetia ante say de broni tia ne ba kire ne nyansa. Owo ne ba o abroche ye ntia akura obejimi say no adi kan kasa akire akura no. From krabremo nti obejimi akura na akura na dan kraman. Enti bibini ne ono ane papa kura ne ba ntimi kye ne bono ne maame obekọ abibifo mbo maame mbo papa obekọ no mo aku maame omku papa ba sankofo no America bo mu tuo ku omo because omo ntimi deport omo free kuro mu ya ba wo awu no yebetime deport on te se Ghana ni ya okoku ne yire wo Ohio isofu kwase yi order prison owie ya omo deport na manakọ Ghana straight enti omo de sabuwa we ba we criminal ntini ya ne ba enti sankofo we mu no won koje omo megu Ghana ho abra wo security ni week already Ghana every day ntafo nkwasiafo egu boku eku sojafo ku police for ma che o se wo dwo mama nko anu agimi akofo ado betena so den chirobo asefo ku soja ni ba akopɛ o ma che o mu nyina begu prison up to now o mu case da so the court eye wo nko ana aye kwase a ntafo mu we ya o mu dodo kura nru den chirobo asefo mu gu boku agimi fo yi o mu kum nipa no peto anwumre ntimi nche ba akokura o mu ku police fo ku sojafo na o mu na mo free eye wo nko ana wagimi enti wo wagimi ntimi nche criminal enti ene na asa kofa criminals begu kuro no so it is very dangerous NDC for Jimirodo. So the war map is dedicated for Ghanaians. It's not for a group bakubi. Wa be ya die bia eye nkwase ade bia no me ba be fire. Your mama ba ye na onyimi ye no on fa ye sika nkotena private jet mu enam Japan no nam Singapore. And all this scanning $500 million no. Atua nurse for atua teacher for we cat said your promises here to aba money. Oba obeye ananka all the aka be 24-hour economy na boys yin no bi anya adwuma ya. Ke be ba be dan ase. So nim nyansa ba oba ya wa jimi ti se Akufo-Addo yi. O jimi kura cha Akufo-Addo. Nya na mgina fire ni. Because ye nyimi se ankowu. Uwo sika de koma broni ayedan. Ah? Ya to abama na wo nwene Ghana fo no ho na wo dwene fo na kwase ampanyini enti wayo si mesraw jimi nyansa bia nim Ghana fo ne pe wasem enti mesraw pa emegina won keka kwase asem se John Mahama is the best abra wontimi ntua common teacher fo ne nurse fo sika ne nyane dia ye tia taxes anopetu anwumre fa koma mo selfish onu nko abedi scan nyina de akohan private jet on tua mo ka enti sa odwan we wo de ne compare kwa me nkonoma we aboa enti mesraw enye sa agimisem ni bio asko o say Elon is an NDC man so he's angry that you are telling us the truth please fire Elon uni twasrwate pasia sesi a mo charge 200 million ansana o maji o unia o school no kwasia we o kwa misa so NDC ni ana o MPP ni o school placement free education na Haruna Idrisu tani kwasia mpanyi ya ye o education minister munyansa na deliver se be ya ye de obetwa mpoa na asantefo no kura na ada trouble no mahu se tani nso mfa so ne so no wagimi chen odwan to the extent say obi ni matona frikumase de na koye de otamale de mo ni na ye tamale nso anam ni na frim tamale abeto nkran se onye de wagimi na afe no enka de o tamale no mane nko de na fa de o frim nkran ne ba ne boarding so on sa ne ye no nti se why a mistake and one say okay obi amra na o meye replacement for enti wa wunya de wo boliga a u free sunyane no boliga ne na no border na boliga fo ne na o mu dey free e ba sa obi abepem asem na wo gi nipa 200 million a free education no wan no wo ye kwase abira ai meme ko secondary school ni bi the whole 3 years am the school ni na ska me say e kura 50 million tama na e free ni e school fees na free education mai enti wo beji 200 million ansa na nipa na wie wakoto books wakoto ntalia wakoto trunk one wakoto bibia the about we no na 1 billion na ne free education no hemfa wa Jimmy enti NDC ni aboe sika no se osi omunwia ya osu betua bi we ye okwa maami bi ode ne bako yo NDC ni ono na frame se be fire omo omaje no 300 million ansa no mo je ne ba o school ono na frame o se me NDC ni mi follow Matthew sa abla be fire omo ma Jimmy tama akofo adokura enim so anya wo so no ye kwa ye nkotua hwe mem ono ne ode ne papa nyini kwa akofo adotama wontua hwe ode keto an kwa kotua 300 million no nyema hye no se say na John Mahama de ebekọ di amasa be di o matemai so enti NDC ni o MPP ni o mu wiaya ye nyina na ebebre Obisi Sam George is now marketing manager for DSTV we Jimmy sa obi amekọ na batikutu me kon ma kwa ye da me go reduce price and na de sesia ono na marketing manager oti radio so marketing the value that DSTV has. At the same time, he was unable to reduce the price. Well, Jimmy is abu. I make a change there. We are minister. HSA we are president. No, one president and I'm president now appointing two representative president. Investor on unit channel or limit to say your mama or the taxpayers money akotofi ama Trisibuachi. Or limit to say I asami jamfi no asise sikana kotofi ama share for. Onyimi sa ono ne de an say o so make profit enti say broni no South Africa be be DSTV or Ghana now we Ghana government open so at price so simple every year be a DSTV agemo $100 million this year e be agemo $50 million enti sa $50 million na aka no mon cushion into subscription no e ba sa on bet price no so drastically ba say me taxes so but me force so say ono moment prices so no oh yes sir business no better be collapse because any business on planet Earth the goal is to make profit and this company no running to make profit there's no business on be shut it down no ma kom at the same time no mu Jimmy mu ntimi mi adwuma ma obia o man no mu be create unemployment because sa multi choice no they have employed more than thousands of Ghanaians every month. Enti sa Jimmy we nyina emfa me ka kire omo because yenye ne sa eti say car dealer ton car e wo dealer na oton car no wakoto bi aka no bi amema say 1 billion abrochire shipping fee 50 million oba be yi car na tia 5 billion no the car na ji 8 billion o si we Jimmy ntu buafu onte so no fanyi 2 billion impossible because obe lose profit at the same time obe lose capital and the only way I buy with me for so car dealer na man ate so agi 2 million say car dealer no abuy be say 5 billion duty no afri so dia beto e bia 50 million duty and e bia 100 million duty say time no car dealer betimi aton car 2 billion and even 1.5 enti se wan nwene ti se nyansani na odi bibia buga Jimmy se me ko ho me koye sei maban na aba wo ye sa na mkoye ya America bande ye na yesi okuja to abra kwakwase ama fire na mo asu nyansa se se wa hu nyansa ne abrofo na kwakasa abrofo no because ko bande America fo a echese woni America on to kom so be bande Ghana enti se obi ye MPP ni obi ye NDC ni obi ye CPP ni wo ye Ghana government ne de Oba no per visa fama no nko nyasa refuse Ghana has refused American citizen because obi a onkura American passport no nko American embassy nkoje visa di okura Ghana passport oba no anse oba onya visa bia saa na obi American citizen not Ghana wa oba American no anse oba onya passport onya visa saa na tie enti Sam George de kwase bia nchen no nye Jimmy ne yedibu o man yedi nyansa and intellectualness mona ma Jimmy na mudi esika nyina etofie ma hyewa broni ntisa broni krom otwebe boss aya bisa ade no mo mebo hyewa America obia o krom abia broni bia minim bia odwene kwan befa so bia adwuma mo ti se de bibini ya Jimmy a Europieto da bia no anyim obi ofie na da bia bosome so pressure so no wage school fees wage aduane sika wage dan sika no da bi broni so bie company after company Amazon bie branch baako ha e kina obi another branch obi another branch so enti company ba ko no te say Tesla obo se no ma bie branch o company okro so no ma bie branch wa no ma bie branch wa sa na broni dwuna onwene te say aboa te say bibini so obviously fire Domahini is that Galamsey is gone and medical can want some Domahini jan kwasi akeka no o yesa obi ani so agimi Galamsey bi ankoi wa ban was into we and this in nti and amado
conversation. Hi, Penyah Block Media.